No wonder we see so little of the life around us. Much of it is hidden, most of it defended, sometimes by poison, sometimes by stealth or strength or speed. And sometimes just looking dangerous for only an instant is as good as any of these. The natural world is full of disappearing acts and magicians. It's no accident there are so many. One of the best ways for an animal to stay alive is to look like what it isn't. In the next hour, we will journey from our own backyards to the far corners of both hemispheres. The ways that animals use visual confusion provide an insight into their perceptions of the world around them. Every environment is a crucible containing a unique set of ingredients for plant and animal design. In the tropics as well as the desert, life obeys the same natural laws. First among these laws is that any given species must live, adapt to change, and multiply according to the process of natural selection. It means that in each generation, the most fit are those who survive to breed.